Let's go. Let's go, y'all. My freaking PB. Look at this thing. Holy crap. Hey, what's going on, y'all? Welcome back to another video of Snagging Bass. Today, me and Ducky are going to Lake Eufaula to fish my first fishing tournament ever. So if you haven't already, hit that like and subscribe button. It's free to do and helps me out a lot. So before we get into the video, let's see what our sponsor of the video today is. Yes, we have a sponsor. Snagging Bass is officially sponsored. So yeah, let's see what they have to say. On RigginReadyFishing.com, you can find just about anything you need, from hoodies to hats to shirts. Here on the hoodies, they have a wide variety of hoodies with different logos, any type of designs that they have. I mean, just about really anything you would like. Really, it's just your preference. This one right here, the black one with their logo on it, I really do enjoy. I mean, I will be ordering this one very soon. Hopefully it comes in the mail before Christmas, but if not, that'll be okay. I know they're very slammed with orders right now, but they also have it in gray, as you see, but I prefer the black one. And so when you add to cart, you hit checkout. This is the cool thing with partnering up with them. You put in the discount code SNAGGIN10, and that will give you 10% off your order of anything on there. So SNAGGIN10 is all you need, and as you see here, I will be saving 10% on this order. So if you will, use SNAGGIN10 after checkout. And but yeah, huge shout out to them. But let's get straight into the video.
Little nose cap now.
You got hung up there.
Hope it lives. That's a largemouth too. This is where the big fish are.
Do you have pliers? We'll see. I'll just use his right here.
Yep. Hold them up. I'm gonna get you a good picture. Keep them held over the middle. Just let them get away. That's a good fish.
Oh yeah.
Make sure he turns up right.
Oh, he's good.
Yeah.
Good.
Alright, let's see if you can pull some more out. He might have a buddy over there that wants to reunite with him.
I mean, I don't think that was the same fish, because he didn't fight that hard the first time. A large one. I think we're good.
Looks like he's good either way. Yeah.
Man, barely hooked.
That's a large.
Yeah, that should be good, shouldn't it?
I think so, as long as it's 14 inches.
Man, rolling bait.
I know, it's all rolling. Here, you want me to put them in there?
Lower them down.
Yeah.
Alright, that on there good. You can put them on this golden rule. Mouth shut, up against that edge over there.
Here you go, I'll put that up.
You getting those on video for rolling?
I didn't get the hook set, but they got it somewhat on video. They're stacked up right there, I think. Well, out of all the baits, Roland's baits are the ones that's getting it right
His
now.
don't even got salt on them either.
I know. That's what the funny thing is. Come on, Tucker, you guys step up your game a little bit. I can't be the only one carrying the team here. Yeah, I asked him when he makes them stronger.
They're more expensive, but you catch more fish on them.
Yeah, I mean, I think it's because them soft ones have that action.
I swear,
Have one?
Huh?
I got another one. Yep. There you go.
Swam right through the net.
Pull them up.
Oh, that's another decent one there.
I know, that's like maybe
One
two.
of the biggest ones.
That's the biggest one so far. Here, I'll get all your way.
Is it bigger than your first one?
I think so.
I think so. It's fatter.
You barely had that one hooked.
Really? The last two?
Yeah, you were lucky on that. Nice. Very nice.
There you go.
Actually, I need to switch that dang 3 and the 2 around.
Be alright for now.
I'll work on that while y'all fish.
Hey, as long as we catching fish.
That's kind of random, right? There ain't nothing over there for them to do.
But come on, Tucker. Pick up the pace. I'm tired of carrying the team.
Yeah, maybe that crawfish color there.
You know, so I was doubting this color because you remember I was using this at my pond.
Yeah, I mean, you said you was getting bites.
I was getting bites out of the butt. It's just they didn't want to commit to it. These fish are committing. Oh, man, first bird's nest of the day. Just a minute ago, before I caught that first fish, I'm like, you know, I'm about to break out my hand warmers. I got them right here. I just gotta open them up. And now I'm like, I can't quit fishing for a minute. I feel like this is stacked right here.
Little nose cap now.
Thank you for watching all the way to the very end, and as always, I love y'all. And if you haven't already, hit the like and subscribe button like I said in the very beginning. But I love y'all, and hopefully we can get more videos out soon. It's been a struggle lately, especially not having an editor or nothing. So yeah, now we have officially got my editor back, and we're about to roll with some videos, baby. Let's go. But anyways, I love y'all, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace. Let's go. Let's go, y'all. My freaking PB. Look at this thing. Holy